Okay, good morning students. So we are going to do session 1 today of employability skills, that is part A. So the first session consists of what is communication. So learning objectives in this session will be ways of communication, elements of communication and importance of communication skills. So whether we realize it or not, we are communicating all the time. That means whether we realize or not, but we are all the time communicating. Yes, we communicate with our parents, we communicate with our friends, whenever we speak, write, okay, send any message over phone or like a post in Facebook or wherever in social media or write an email, etc. All these are different ways of communicating. It can be directly or indirectly. It can be verbally or non-verbally. So in this session we learn about the different methods of communication that we normally use. So ways of communication. So communication means being able to tell other people what we want to say. That means communication means what we want to tell other people, or what we are feeling, what we want to express or say other people. That means what we are communicating. Expressing our feelings, passing on information or influencing other people's opinions are all parts of communication. Okay, so what we want to express our feelings or telling anything on a particular information on a topic or influencing other people's opinion, giving any feedback on other people's opinion, all these are different ways of communication. So communication can take place in many ways. That is verbal form, that is communicating orally. Non-verbal form, that is communicating using our body language, gestures or tone, okay, and pitch, okay, a pitch of voice, a pitch of tone. Then written form, communicating through handwritten or printed information. Visual communication, okay, visual form, that means communicating through pictures, logos or posters, maps or charts, etc. All these are types of visual communication. Then communication in any of the above way will send the message across, but not all communication is effective. So communication in any of the above ways, be it verbal, non-verbal, written or visual, can happen in any of the ways, but all communication are not effective. Effective communication means what? The right way or the style of communication that makes the right impact on the audience or on the recipient and delivers the right message across. For example, if we choose the right words, take appropriate pauses, maintain our eye contact with the audience and hold their attention while keeping a healthy body language, will be known as what? Good speakers, or even as an effective communicator. That means, say for example, we are giving any presentation or any speech, and while delivering the speech or while delivering the presentation, if we use right words, okay, and we know where to stop, and we maintain a good eye contact with the audience and hold their attention with a good body language, then will be known as good speaker, or even we may be known as a good effective communicator. Alright, so this is what an effective communication means. So in the next video we'll have ways of elements of communication. Alright, we shall start in the next video.